Look at this girl with the bird.
Your food done.
Ugly.
You stupid.
That crazy bird. Oh, I'm scared. It's gonna eat my knuckle.
Hey,
What?
that Rotel done.
I know.
Come and get it.
I know.
Nah, knock that bird out your hand.
No, you ain't. Finna knock nothing out.
You ain't scared of it? You scared of it? I would just like to pick it up. I think you might poop on me.
Such a big bird ass. A big bird looking at you talking about.
I'm for real.
And his mama's
Kid
still
wanna
on
cuss
that.
at you.
I
Kid wanna cuss at you so
I
bad.
don't. But stop you. You like you. Yeah. I want to try to hold it.
Don't do that.
I want to try.
Cause you gonna throw my bird down. The bird down. I ain't trying to. And we outside already. She feel good, don't it?
So.
Tanasia is an animal.
An animal girl. I bet you love animals, teenager. Yep. You love lions. No. You love cheetahs. I love you. Move, let me try to hold it. Don't put it.
You better keep that bird away from me, girl. Put it back in the cage if you gonna do that.
I'm gonna try to hold
Look
it.
at that. That bird cage is a mess.
Stop, no. Let me put it on you. Clean it out. What about I put on your bed?
It's a mess. Put it in there.
I wonder.
She closed up the cage. Now it's time to watch the bird.
You watching? What you been doing here?
Bird. It is now.
Look, she been food here.
Let me see. 6 o'clock. It's just
You want a bird?
4:59.
Here.
Grab her again.
Grab her again. Put the water back in there first.
Okay. We're getting the bird back out.
Hey, she crazy. You crazy. Teenage, you keep running for you. Got it. Okay. I got it.
She got the bird back out. It's crazy.
Want to show my mama? Hold on.
Stop. I wanted to let her bite the camera. Oh! I thought she was about to bite me.
She ain't do nothing.
She biting.
You got
She just bit the camera.
Let me see, can I hold her? Hold it from the back.
Kendall, try to get her.
Is she
Let me
hold it
do
from
it.
the back? Okay.
Let me see.
Hold it.
Oh!
I almost had it. Is you turning for the back?
Let me.
Is it do it bite people?
Don't hold it like that. Don't hold it like that.
Do it bite people, Kayla?
No, it tickle.
No, it don't. It hurt to me.
You gonna rip his head off?
Stop playing. Oh my God. She feels so.
She feel good.
She feels so. Do you bathe her?
No.
Oh, cause she feels so soft. Let me see.
Don't rip her head off. Put it in there. Put it in there. You can't handle like that.
No, let
If
me.
you can't handle her, you better put it in there because I don't want you to kill her.
Let it go.
She biting me.
Let it go. No. Let me. I almost had it, Kayla. She won't let me hold it. Let me hold it.
That record people. I'm recording her with the bird.
Tell her, let me hold her.
They fussing right now. So I gotta pause it and wait till it calm down.
Hey, can I hold it right quick?
Look at her trying to hold the bird. Oh my God!
Oh, he bit me. Oh, that don't hurt.
Oh!
No. Take that bell back to the flea market. That hurt now. Take that back. Oh, God, take that back.
Ooh, we got it.
Take that back. Oh, God, for real, don't take that back right now. Cause they bit me. I ain't playing. Go take that back. We ain't holding that bird no more. Just let
Don't
it
touch it. Don't
record.
touch it. Stop. Alright, let me see a bird. Kyler, don't drop that bird.
Now.
If I drop it, you're gonna have to pick it up, okay? Turn it around. Turn it back.
Hey.
Don't twist the bird head off.
Stop.
Oh,
Kayla, get it.
I'm scared.
How you scared? And it's your bird.
oh no.
Get it, Kayla.
Oh! What? What?
What you
What you
doing?
mean? What you mean?
Do that bike tonight. It by you. Huh? You want like fingernails.
Hey, we don't need that.
Ooh.
Gonna beat that.
Hey, no, don't you bite. Don't. You gonna throw it out. When his fur came off, Caleb. His fur came off.
It's so pretty and blue. It's pretty. I'm gonna put it on. You finna get ready to go to Miss Sugar house.
Don't. You bit me. Dude. I'm gonna choke you. Tonight, hold his head. I want to touch him. It keep going in circles. How it go in circles?
I wish my head can go in circles.
Who said it? Alright, I'm about to let it eat out of my hand.
I want to do it.
Hold on, I want to do it because I don't barely get to touch my own bird.
You
Let it fall. Hold it up.
You scared.
Let me get.
I'm trying to find the seeds that she be eating in there.
Let me hold it.
No. I'm sorry, you ain't gonna eat on mine. Just grab some.
Half of these she don't eat in there.
Eat.
Hey, her little beak don't hurt. It don't hurt. Hey, that hurt it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go catch the newspaper.
Oh my God.
I want to see out the seeds.
She about to catch the news. She did not catch it.
Here. I'm gonna try. Here.
You got your newspaper. I got your newspaper.
Don't do that because they be wasting her food. I'm not a good recorder, so you don't even know your food on your lips.